Hi, Albert Grande here. I want to tell you about one of my rules of making pizza. You've heard of Murphy's Law, whatever can go wrong will. Well, let me introduce you to Grande's pizza postulate. While making pizza, all mistakes are inevitable. Listen, you're going to make some mistakes. Believe me, I am the master of pizza disaster. If you came up with a list of all the things that could go wrong with pizza, I've done them twice. So, if a problem comes up, don't worry about it. A lot of mistakes have a solution, and your pizza will get better next time. If you'd like to find out more tips and hints and tricks about making pizza, check out my new book, The Pizza Therapy Pizza Book. I'll put a link to it below this video. And while you're here, if you could show a little pizza love and subscribe to the Pizza Therapy channel. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.